wants to know if I inherit stock, how is my tax basis determined and does it change if I sell them quickly?
The basis doesn't change. Now, when you inherit any asset, and this is true so far, this was under question during the Biden administration, but they didn't get anything done. So when you inherit an asset, it is your cost basis is the value on the day that you inherit. Now, this can be screwed up. So it has to be through an inheritance. So if grandma is old but still alive and you put the house in your name, you didn't inherit it. It was given to you. That's a different thing. If somebody passes away and it goes through probate and then through that process you acquire title to a thing, that's an inheritance. And whether or not it goes through probate is a whole thing for the estate lawyers. But yeah, you got to make sure that you are, somebody passed away and then gave up title to an asset and then you acquired it. If somebody gives it to you, then in most cases it's going to be the basis at which they acquired it. Most cases. But for inheritance, it's going to be market value on the day of that you inherit. And then, so if you sell quickly, then chances are your gain is going to be zero. And so whatever proceeds you realize from that are going to be effectively tax free. In fact, if it's something like a house, you might actually create a net loss because of closing costs. But if it's stock sale, in the old days, we used to pay commissions as a percentage basis on stock sales. But these days, with the so-called discount brokers, which is now just all brokers, trading fees are, either zero or very small. You're probably not going to have much in the way in the way of sales expenses. But if you inherit $100,000 worth of stock, sell it the same day for $100,000, your gain is zero, and you have no tax, but you have an extra $100,000.
So it depends also.